And today it's gonna be the part 2, and this is the last part of B-Swarm Simulator. And today has been the best day ever, but it's not nighttime. It's like 3 a.m. I think. Yeah, it's like 3 a.m. I think. I don't like my body. Okay, but I'm just gonna be playing, so yay! But this is my second like 5th or 6th video. So my favorite, it's one of my favorites. Be Swamp Simulator.
Legos. I see Legos on the table.
Oh, sorry. Okay, let's just get playing. I'm not a noob. Just let me know in the comments down below. Do you think I'm a noob or not? Look at my honey money. My honey money, mommy, nama. A beautiful honey money. And pollen. Look at my pollen. Oh yeah, I don't have any, but making honey. We're just making honey, yeah. We're just making some honey, and yeah, my account is Jordan _ boy 121. Okay, guys, you can see Jordan _ boy 1121. Okay, guys, if you want to friend me, okay. Weed whacker. But I'm trying to do the final showdown so I can get this silver egg, and it has legendary, epic, or rare. So it's just what does it say? Defeat 20 ladybugs and defeat 7 spiders. Ladybug, I'm right here in front of your face. I got a strawberry, but one of them is called strawberry picking. No. Searching for strawberries. I mean, like, feed 20 cheats to your bees and cheats. Okay, then. And feed 5 strawberries to my bees, and I only have one basic bee, and one exhausted bee, one wait, let me see it. Raspberry, yeah. But I think no, I don't know which one's which. Like, this one is a rage bee. Yeah, I have a rage bee, a rad bee. Wait, what? Bad bee and basic bee, liquor bee, brave bee, hasty bee, and what you call a bumblebee. Yeah. Also, oh my god, well, let's just see how much tickets do I have to buy something. Oh, I got 2 tickets. And guys, you mind if you guys get me some Robux? Just kidding. I don't know. You guys, I'm not telling you guys my password, because I don't want you guys to hack my account, because I already got hacked from Nathan Danish. And you know what that account was? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. I'm just kidding, guys. It's only 1. That's my account. Yeah. My password. No, please, stop it. Feed 10 treats. Okay, how much treats do I have right now? Only got 12 for what I got. I'm trying to get more than that, like 20. It says feed 20 treats. Now look at that. That's a noob. Look. Hi, noob. Newbie. Newbie. I'm gonna be like, hi, newbie. Hi, newbie. She doesn't even know how to get some bees. She has no help. She just cleaned that hive and that's all, and she's not having any bees, guys. So yeah. So we got that much pollen. She's still a noob, guys. If that's you, then please let me know in the comments down below if that's you or not. Like, you are a noob. You should go on this menu and then you should look on here and you'll see your egg and you drag it, not anywhere with the green is, okay? So I'm feeding some treats to my bees, to my bees. Okay, no time. 2, 2, 1. I almost put that 10, guys. If you want to look at me bumblebee, give one to him. All of this, give him all of it. And I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm gonna give all of them 12 then. I'm gonna go buy more. Like 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, I need like to buy like, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, these. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, I need to buy 9, guys. I need to buy 9 more. All of that is 9. Jeez. You know what? I'm just gonna buy 10 and feed us all to. And just show you how much strawberries do you have? These strawberries, but how will I get more strawberries? Open shop. Oh. How much honey is this? Oh, 20. Did you buy that?
Yeah.
When?
Sheila's. I bought a couple Sheila's earlier.
Wait, they sell those?
Yeah.
Now? I thought it was only a store where food is only, like for drinks, food, and stuff like.
Okay, Nathan, ready? Catch.
Okay. Ooh, wow.
Let's play catch in the hallway.
Want you to play soccer after that or no? Okay, let's see how much I got on. We'll have like I gave them 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 30, 30. Okay guys, I think that's enough for me, right? I think that's enough, guys. Should I just reset?
Catch now. Do I have to hit you in the face with this ball?
I'm making a YouTube channel. Sorry about that. I'm not a noob. This, you know what? You know, well, I got.
I hate CB.
I know, I don't care. But you know why I got that? You know why I got that in that big from?
What?
Wait. Come on, guys. Come on. Follow. You all dead? Just kidding. But we all reset it together. Right, guys? Let me just do that. But, yeah. All of you are my buddies. I discovered like let me see how much did I discover? 8 types. So you know what? How much do you think that will be to sling you? How much types do you think it'll be, huh?
I don't know.
You got to guess.
100? Was I close?
No, not even. How much did that say? 8. You cannot have 100 bees. You can only have 22.
And you have 8 bees.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, no, I don't know how much. 1, 2, 3. No, I don't have 8 bees, I think I have 1, 2, 3. Oh, Jesus Christ! Stop moving around for a sec! Wow. He's a noob! Hi, newbie! I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7! Even though... Hey! Sling me! Oh! You're nice.
Wait, there's a pineapple.
SpongeBob's over here. But we need to help him. You see, that's his house.
Yeah. Wait.
I'm not joking. I'm just kidding. The SpongeBob. Well, that's all for this video today. Bye bye. Whoa! Whoa! What? Whoa! Whoa! Yo!